All right, let's discuss this awesome smart toilet bowl I was gifted from the seller for my feedback. When you open up the box to your lovely smart toilet, it's packaged very nicely. You'll be pleased. Love the packaging. Came super quick. Can't wait to get this installed. Okay, this is what you're going to receive with your smart toilet. You're going to get your remote control and remote control holder. You're going to get the hardware to install your toilet bowl. You're going to get the wax ring. You're going to get some Teflon tape. You're going to get your angle valve, and you're going to get your spare battery box. A great feature with this toilet bowl is this spare battery box for when the power goes out, you'll still be able to use the toilet bowl. You got to go buy a 9-volt battery, plug it into the head, click that on, and you just plug it in this spare wire. So simple. You'll also receive this nice template to see how your toilet bowl is going to fit and to properly place it. Okay, I got all the hardware in place, ready to put this toilet bowl in. I got the angle valve in. I did have to go to the hardware store and pick up these 3 fittings to fit it to my old pipe. It was very simple. And yeah, we're ready to install this thing. All right, I love when you walk up to the toilet bowl. The top's going to open. It's going to sense. It also has a foot sensor down here. When you move your foot in front of it, that toilet seat will open up. Great features. Now when you're done using your toilet bowl, it's going to automatically flush after you move your foot in front of the sensor. Seats are going to close. Automatic flush. So great. This toilet bowl has many features. This seat gets very warm. It has an option over here on this awesome remote control that you can mount. It has the sticky adhesives on the other side so you don't have to drill holes. Over here, you have your seat temps. You just hit your seat temp. And I could change it. It's at 100 degrees. Now it's at 97, 93, 90, and so on. Awesome, awesome features. I love the bidet feature. Has a feminine wash and bidet. The water comes out. You can change the nozzle position with the remote. This is awesome. And once you're done with your rear wash or feminine wash, you can also dry your area with the dryer. Just came on. Such a great feature. You can also change the temperatures of the dryer as well. And you also have this knob on the side. If you don't want to use the remote, you can twist this forward for feminine wash, back for rear wash, or push it to flush it. Another feature of this toilet bowl is this seat has a sensor. It senses the weight to tell the toilet bowl whether someone's sitting on it or not. That's how it's going to know to automatically flush when you get up. And that's how you get the things to work like the bidet and the dryer. The stuff won't work unless you're pushing down on it. So you can't automatically hit the bidet on the remote control and have it spit water everywhere. I really like that feature. So there you have it. I am loving this new smart toilet bowl. I love all the features. I don't know what I've been doing all these years without a bidet. Such a lovely experience. I love the remote. I love the fact I can change my seat temps, the blower temps, the temps of the water coming out the bidet nozzle. This thing is great. All the automatic features, I'm loving it. Overall, I'm giving this product 2 thumbs up.